Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, May 30th, 2025. Tonight, we'll recap market moves across technology, communications, and healthcare sectors, covering key indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed mixed today. The communication services sector and the healthcare sector advanced, while the Nasdaq 100, the Nasdaq Composite, and the technology sector declined. Strong to very strong positive trends continue across most indexes. Market breadth showed strength today. The Nasdaq 100 saw 76% of stocks advance. The Nasdaq Composite had nearly 1,760 advancing stocks versus 1,276 declines. The technology sector showed similar strength with more than twice as many advances as declines. Weekly returns were positive across all tech-related indexes. The technology sector led with a 2.4% gain. Monthly returns showed strength in most areas, with technology up 10.8% and healthcare being the exception, down 5.7%. Among top tech performers, Palantir Technologies surged 7.7% to close at 131.84, hitting a new all-time high. Enphase Energy broke out of a sideways pattern, rising 5.4%. CrowdStrike and Workday also showed strength, up 2.7% and 2.4% respectively. Looking at returns, Palantir stands out with a 74% year-to-date gain. CrowdStrike has risen nearly 38% this year. Enphase, despite today's gains, remains down 40% year-to-date. Among today's decliners, Lam Research fell 4%, while Intel dropped 3.4%, marking its third consecutive down day. NVIDIA declined 3.1%, though maintaining its strong positive trend. Teradyne and Supermicro also weakened. Despite today's decline, NVIDIA has gained 24% this month. Supermicro shows a 31% year-to-date gain despite recent weakness. Teradyne continues to struggle, down 38% year-to-date. Technology ETFs showed mixed performance today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology saw modest declines, while VanEck Semiconductor fell 1.7%. All three maintain strong upward trends. The 3x bearish QQQ has been consolidating for 26 days amid a strong downward trend. Monthly returns show impressive gains across tech ETFs. The 3x bullish QQQ leads with a 27.6% return, while VanEck Semiconductor and Vanguard Information Technology both posted returns exceeding 10%. Conversely, the 3x bearish QQQ declined 23.6%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms shows strong momentum, up 4 days consecutively with a strong positive trend. Microsoft maintains a very strong positive trend, while Apple exhibits a very strong negative trend despite closing up. Year-to-date returns show significant divergence. Meta Platforms leads with a 10.6% gain, followed by Microsoft at 9.2%. Meanwhile, Apple has declined nearly 20%, while Alphabet is down 9.2%. In semiconductor stocks, semi-LEDs surged 11.1% to hit a one-year high, showing strong upward volatility. SmartChem gained 5.6%, though maintaining a very strong negative trend. QuickLogic remains flat for 6 days. Year-to-date performance shows semi-LEDs up an impressive 131%, while SmartChem and QuickLogic have both declined over 54%. Semtech is down nearly 40%. In cloud computing, Zscaler jumped 9.7% to a new one-year high, with strong upward volatility. CrowdStrike broke out upward after 3 flat days. HubSpot gained despite showing strong downward volatility. Year-to-date returns show Zscaler leading with a 52.8% gain, followed by CrowdStrike up 37.8%. HubSpot has declined 15.3%, while Workday is down 4%. In AI and robotics, AeroVironment rose 3.2% with upward volatility continuing for 5 days. Rockwell Automation achieved a second consecutive one-year high close. Dynatrace remains flat for 5 days. Year-to-date, RTX leads with a 17.9% gain, followed by AeroVironment at 15.7%. Rockwell Automation is up 10.4%, while Dynatrace shows a marginal decline. In thematic ETFs focused on AI and robotics, Pacer US Cash Cows Growth ETF showed a strong upward trend at 47.55. WisdomTree AI and Innovation Fund and Global X AI and Technology both experienced downward breakouts after trading flat, closing at 22.8 and 40.30 respectively. Month-to-date returns show strong performance across the AI and robotics theme. WisdomTree AI and Innovation leads with a 12.4% return, followed by Global X AI and Technology at 9.3%. First Trust Nasdaq AI and Robotics posted a 7.4% gain. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance today. Polestar gained 1.8%, while Tesla dropped 3.3%. NIO showed the largest decline at 3.8%, with increased downward volatility, breaking below its recent consolidation pattern. Month-to-date returns in the EV sector show Tesla leading with a 22.8% gain. Li Auto follows with a 16.2% increase. However, NIO has declined 12.6% over the same period, showing significant underperformance. In quantum computing stocks, Honeywell International rose 0.65% to 226.67, maintaining its strong positive trend. D-Wave Quantum edged up 0.36% with very strong momentum. TE Connectivity dipped 0.91% while trading sideways. Month-to-date returns reveal D-Wave Quantum surging 136%, significantly outperforming peers. Archer Materials gained 24%, while TE Connectivity and Honeywell posted more modest gains around 7–9%. Solar stocks showed strong gains today. Shoals Technologies led with a 9.5% rise, followed by VivoPower International, up 9.4%. Sunrun broke out of its sideways pattern with a 9.3% gain. Month-to-date performance shows SolarEdge Technologies leading with a 45.9% gain. Amarin and VivoPower followed with gains of 32.6% and 31.8% respectively. Shoals Technologies advanced 30.7%. Tech thematic ETFs showed strong upward momentum today. iShares expanded Tech Software Sector ETF and Global X Cybersecurity ETF both gained 1.2%. Cybersecurity funds displayed particularly robust trends, with ETFMG Prime Cybersecurity ETF and First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF, each rising 1.1%. Month-to-date returns have been impressive across these tech ETFs. ETFMG Prime Cybersecurity ETF leads with a 9.8% gain, while First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF shows the strongest year-to-date performance at 13.2%. Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF is the only fund showing a year-to-date decline.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI. with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.